Hello, Jackson R2 Schools. In this video, we're going to cover how to access school district or public calendars. You may be familiar with the fact that we used to use public calendars in Outlook, and so now in the conversion over to Gmail, the way that you're going to access calendars that are going to be shared throughout the district for various buildings, they're going to be calendars for each building is going to have a school calendar, and this calendar is going to be public for everyone to be able to see. Only the secretaries and the principals are going to be able to post stuff to these calendars, so you'll need to run that through the office. But anybody in the public or the community will be able to see what's on the school calendar. Senior high, as an example, is also going to have performing arts, which will be public. They'll also have an athletics calendar. Each building will probably have a library calendar too, so that you can book different items through the library. And then you may also have some labs or conference rooms or things of that nature. Those will all be private, and they will only be able to be viewed if you're logged into your account. People in the public will not be able to see what's on, say, labs or different various things. So it's going to depend on what the calendar is and who's going to have access. But the way that you get to these calendars, if they're not showing up, is you go to Other Calendars, click on the drop down, go to Browse Interesting Calendars, and here are other calendars that you can subscribe to that Google has built in. But you'll click on More, then you'll go to Resources for Jackson.K12.mo.us. And then you should see all the calendars that we have created in the technology department for the district. So depending on what building you're in, it's going to probably depend on what calendars you want to see. But basically, I'm not exactly sure if everyone's going to be able to see all these, but I know you'll be able to see the ones that pertain to your building. But I think you'll be able to see all these and subscribe to them. Depending on permissions, may depend on whether or not you can actually enter information on them or not. So basically, just wanted to show you guys how to find those and get to those, because I know it can be a little bit confusing, and we've had some questions. So that is how you subscribe to a calendar. Then you can also unsubscribe to those. What I've also noticed is what you do on your computer will most likely show up on your mobile device as well. So if you're viewing a calendar, most likely it's gonna, the next time you go to your device, your mobile device, I've noticed it will probably show up there as well. Thanks for watching and have a great day.